Hello and welcome to another GIS and remote sensing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create elevation cross-section profile with QGIS. First, we need to download elevation or DEM data. I have already downloaded it. If you don't know how to download DEM data, you can watch my another video on it. I will put the link in the description box and also in the I button. Now open QGIS and go to plugins from the menu bar, then manage and install plugins. Click all, then search for profile tool. Click on profile tool and install plugin. Okay, plugin installed successfully, and close this window. Then we need to add the downloaded DEM data. Just drag and drop the DEM data. Then go to the menu bar, plugins, then profile tool, create terrain, click on terrain profile. This is the cross-sectional tool and we are going to use this to create a graph. In the setting, click full resolution enabled, then click on add layer button to add this DEM data into this plugin. Now a plus button will appear. Just click on the DEM raster data and draw a straight line on it, and just double click to end. The graph has been generated. This is the cross-sectional profile of elevation. You can save this graph as PNG, SVG. Just select PNG or SVG and click on save as. I have already saved it. Now we are check the data on the graph. Here is the cross-sectional profile. So in this way you can create elevation cross-sectional profile with QGIS easily. Thanks for watching.